Hey students, my name is Nishtha Gupta and I am a biology faculty at askIITians since past 4 years. Today we are going to take the chapter Digestion and Absorption. We have divided this chapter into 5 videos. First one is the introductory part. Second, we will discuss the parts of digestive system. In third video, you will be explained the digestive glands. Then we will switch on to the digestion of food. And in the last video, you will be explained how the absorption of digested products takes place inside the body. So let's begin with the introduction of this chapter. Digestion and absorption. Let's have an introduction of this chapter. The digestive system is the system which is used for breaking down food into nutrients. These nutrients then pass into the circulatory system for the process of absorption and are also taken to wherever they are needed in the body. Intracellular digestion. This is a type of digestion. First is intracellular and second is extracellular digestion. So in intracellular digestion, what is happening? The process of digestion is occurring within the cell in the food vacuole. Look into this amoeba proteus. Example, protozoa, porifera, coelenterata and free-living platyhelminthes. Extracellular digestion. It is the digestion in which the process of digestion is occurring outside the cell. Look into the diagram. This is an example of Hydra. Okay, so this diagram is showing digestion in Hydra. So example, coelentrates, phylum Platyhelminthes and phylum Chordata. Stages in digestion. First is ingestion, that is taking in of food. Second is digestion, breaking down food into nutrients. Third is absorption, taking in nutrients by cells. So cells are absorbing. Then comes egestion, that is removing any leftover wastes. Do you know the digestive system has two main functions? First is converting food into nutrients and second is getting rid of the body waste. With a normal mixed diet, the stomach empties itself in 3 to 4 hours. World Food Day comes on 16th of October. And last point, cyclostomes and labio. They do not have stomach. Isn't it amazing? Yes, exactly. So, this was all about the introduction of the chapter Digestion and Absorption. Now, in our next video, what I am going to teach you is the parts of the digestive system. So let's move on to the next video.